Unfortunate that all of a sudden some kind of rumor mills were walking, and all of a sudden the boys that came from Assam and who have been probably walking there or undergoing some vocational courses here, because of rumor mills walking overnight, many of them felt very apprehended and they went back to Assam. But now they have realized the situation is absolutely normal and they are coming back. But I want to tell you something, that me and my colleague Rakibul Hussain, we have been sent by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. We know that our boys are absolutely in safe hands here. The Andhra Pradesh government, the Andhra Pradesh civil society here, and the Aam Janta here, they are very helpful and they are protecting and giving shelter to our boys and girls. So there is no reason for us to be apprehensive. So we have come here to register our gratitude and thankfulness to the Andhra Pradesh government and the civil society.
People who spoke with you today were talking about how they then the bus service, they're very happy and all. But one student raised up an issue that there was one student here has spoken about some threatening calls.
See, I'll tell you what. This is the most unfortunate part. Many of the boys and girls that we have met, nobody has received any kind of threatening. Nobody has been intimidated by anybody here. It's just a rumor mill and it's all compounded. It's traveled from one corner to another through MMS, through SMS, and it's very unfortunate.
What is the government of Assam or how are you acting with the government to ensure that whoever started these rumors,
I will tell you what. Our gut feeling is this. Some forces are working to destabilize the country. Some forces are working to probably create some communal tension, in different parts of the country. So we have to be very careful. And that is why we have told the Andhra Pradesh government, tomorrow we are going to have a very formal meeting with Andhra Pradesh Home Minister and the police and everybody, And we have also informed the government of India that we must work together and we must isolate those people who are trying to create such instability in the country and taking advantage of the fragile situation in Assam. We had some unfortunate incidents, but everything is under control now.
Get a sense of security preparation in view of all the panic rumors that are doing the rounds, the security preparation from the city police.
See, we have asked all our SHOs to be aware of this particular situation, and if anybody calls them and tries to make a complaint, we should look into it immediately and take necessary action so that this atmosphere of fear, it goes away. Whole rumor seems to have started through some SMSs and some reports in the media that these people were being targeted in certain parts of the southern India. And that is where this whole thing has started, and it is snowballing into a big thing. But we can reassure that in Hyderabad we'll take care.
Are you trying to find the root of these rumors? Kind of investigating on it?
Our first job is to see that the people are reassured and there is no panic, and after that we'll look into it.